This is the elevator at 431 Darragh Street at Darragh Street Housing at the University of Pittsburgh in West Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 330A HJ. Empty fire recall there, well that's FE, okay, switch. It was installed in 2007. The 5, it's about to rough. Typical 330A Schindler. Go up. Didn't think this building was from 07, I thought it was a little older. Oh, bouncy. You're at 5. Go back to number 1. I don't know why 1 is main. 2 should be main, because that's the main entrance. It's a basic stainless steel Schindler cab. It's not the brightest elevator. It has a slightly higher ceiling, from the door to the ceiling. And that light right there, that light in particular, just keeps flickering. It's kind of annoying. There's a second building here. I'm assuming the elevator in there is exactly identical, so I'm not going to bother trying to go in there. Here, back at 1. Here goes, and that's going to be it.